Are you looking for a home in the Chatfield Farms area out here in Roxborough? Well, look no further than my new listing here at 8371 Snaffle Court. Hello everybody, I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals. And today we have this home that's going to be going on the market. It's on a cul-de-sac, equipped with 5 beds, 4 baths, and actually has an office which you could turn into a 6th bedroom if you so desire. And we also have a 3-car garage, which everybody loves to have. So let's go on inside and check this great home out today. As you walk in the front door to this great home, you're greeted with wood flooring throughout and a bright open entryway that lets in light from all angles of this home. And the one thing that this house has, it's equipped with an office, but it does have a closet already set up. So you could technically convert this in to an additional bedroom. And as you come out of the office, there's already a 3/4 bath here on the main level, which is a great addition to this home. And check out this kitchen, great for entertaining people, very spacious, lots of cabinet space, as you can tell, stainless appliances, granite, have a nice island here for even some more additional room and entertainment. On the upper level, you have 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom, a large master bedroom with great views of the mountains every day that you wake up. And also, attached to the master bedroom, we have a 5-piece master bath that has a nice walk-in closet, plenty of storage over here. I shouldn't say storage, plenty of room for your clothes and whatever else you want to put in there. The other 2 bedrooms on the upper level have a Jack and Jill full bath here with tile flooring and dual sinks. And again, some additional cabinet and storage space as well. This home also features a full finished basement with a walkout. We've got a bedroom over here, an additional full bath. We have a little family room right here where you can sit and hang out and also look out and check out the great views from the walkout. And over here we have an additional bedroom which gives this place its 5th bedroom, but if you converted that office that I had shown you earlier, this would actually make it your 6th bedroom, however you want to do it. Step out onto your spacious deck, take in the mountain views. You have privacy throughout here, and you can hear, maybe you can hear, the nice water feature down below. And this yard is rather large because it does sit on a cul-de-sac. And if you do not want to hang out on the large deck above, you can walk out your walkout basement onto this large flagstone patio and take in the privacy of the backyard and sit and enjoy this water feature. And again, this large lot here, as we're on a cul-de-sac, you can see there's plenty of space around here to do whatever you would like. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this great home out here in Roxborough Colorado. And if you want more information on this great home, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd love to share the details with you. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.